going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing one of these DZ tailgate assists on my 2019 Ford F150. This will work for any 2015 to 2020 Ford F150. It's super simple. It takes about 5 minutes to install. The only tool that you'll need besides the Torx bit that comes with the kit from DZ is a 10mm socket, or you can just use a 10mm wrench. But yeah, like I said, it takes about 5 minutes, so I'll just show you how to do it. Step one, drop your tailgate, and then you'll come over here and you've got two bolts, one right here, one right here. You're going to take this one all the way out, and you're not going to take this one all the way out, but you are going to loosen it to where you can pull and get some room in between there. Okay, you've got your top one removed. You got some room on the bottom one because we just loosened it. We didn't completely remove it. You'll take this portion that they provide to you, the little groove on the bottom that slides in behind the existing bolt that we left in, and then this hole will line up with the original factory bolt. You will take this bolt with this blue thread lock on it that they supplied for you, and this gets tightened using, I think it's an M5 Allen key. I'm not sure, but it definitely is one of these Allen keys, so you'll need one of these as well. And then after you've gotten that hardware installed, you'll take the Torx bit that they gave you, or you can use one if you have it, and you're going to loosen this guy up so you can take this tab off. Once you got it off, the easiest way I found to do it is to take your fingers on the bolt and pull it up. Use your index finger to push the tab forward, or maybe you can use your thumb if that works easier. And then just pull it down and it'll fall right out. Now that that's removed, you're going to take this mounting plate and you're going to line that hole up with the factory hole, and you're going to put this guy back in it. Next, you'll take your actual hydraulic assist. This portion right here installs, see how there's this little hole right here? That will hook over here, and then the top part of it will hook up to right there. And as you can see, the hydraulic assist is all plugged in. I found that it was really easy to install it by giving yourself a little bit of room to work with. That way you don't have to be pulling this hydraulic part and extending it yourself. And then after you do that, obviously you'll just hook this guy back onto right there, and then you're pretty much done. All right, so it's all installed. Let's give it a test. Nice and smooth. Super easy to install, minimal tools required, almost zero know-how required. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If you have any comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you guys. Thanks for watching.